Hey there, welcome back to the Art Factory. Today, we're diving into the world of online security, and we've got something special for you. If you are concerned about protecting your computer from cyber threats, you're in the right place. We're talking about ZoneAlarm Free Firewall, a powerful tool to safeguard your digital life. Stay tuned as we explore its features, benefits, and how to get started with it. So, what exactly is ZoneAlarm Free Firewall? It's not just any firewall, it's your first line of defense against online threats. Let's take a look at some of its standout features. Advanced Firewall Protection. ZoneAlarm's firewall is like a digital fortress for your computer. It monitors incoming and outgoing traffic, blocking suspicious activity and keeping your data safe. Identity Theft Protection. Worried about identity theft? ZoneAlarm can help prevent it by blocking phishing attempts and protecting your personal information. Application Control. With Application Control, you have the power to decide which programs can access the internet. It's like having a bouncer for your apps. Online Privacy. ZoneAlarm also enhances your online privacy by masking your IP address, making it harder for prying eyes to track your online activities. Real-time Threat Detection. Stay one step ahead of cybercriminals with real-time threat detection. ZoneAlarm keeps an eye out for the latest threats and stops them in their tracks. Ready to get started with ZoneAlarm Free Firewall? It's easy. ZoneAlarm Free Firewall can be downloaded by clicking the link provided in the description. In conclusion, ZoneAlarm Free Firewall is a game changer when it comes to online security. It's robust, user-friendly, and did I mention it's free? Check the description below for more information and a link to download ZoneAlarm Free Firewall today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time right here on the Art Factory.